Hi everybody and welcome back to my Microsoft Excel lesson. So today I will show you how to find and then how to find and replace some duplicates in your Microsoft Excel sheets. So I will show you a really easy way because there are a lot of options. How could you find it? Through formulas, through functions, through conditional formatting, through search. But basically I will show you the easiest one thing which I know. So first of all, let's check how many duplicates do we have. And what is the duplicates? First of all, we have to choose all area where we want to find our duplicates. For example, in our case, it's gonna be this column. And then we have to go home, conditional formatting, and here we could choose like highlight duplicates values. Okay. So, and in this case, we could see that all our value there have some duplicates. So this is the easiest way. How could you find any duplicates? And for example, let's change John on some like exclusive value X. And right now it is not highlighted. So because there is no any duplicates. And let's talk about how could you remove all of those duplicates. I will show you a really easy way. So let's, for example, choose those area for now and go to a data menu. And in data ribbon, we have remove duplicates. So here, remove duplicates asks us about columns and headers, which do we have. Why it asks us? It's basically showing us that right now our machine gonna be looking for the whole row duplicates. What does it mean? So do you see we have John 346A and John 346A. So here our same duplicates, all other our rows, they're different. So in this case, we basically found out the whole duplicates row. Okay, and let's click it. Okay. So as you see, we were deleting one duplicate row, all other were unique. But what could you do if you want to find and remove duplicates in a one column? In this case, you just have to select one column and make the same command. So date, remove duplicates. And in this case, we will have this pop-up window which asks us, do we want to expand the selection? In this case, it also asks us, do we want to check all other columns and start to processing the whole row as a duplicate example? Or do we want to save our one column position? And in this case, we could choose like continue with current selection. What basically this means? That we want to find all duplicates and remove them from these cells. We don't want to expand our highlighting. Let's choose remove duplicates. So we have my list has been header. Okay. That's all. 13 duplicates values found out, removed, and we have 2 unique values remain. So that's all. Today we will learn how to find duplicates by conditional formatting, then how to find duplicates in a row position and remove them, and how to find duplicates in a column position and move them. This was really easy, so just subscribe, check all my channel, check my other lessons, they are really cool though, yep. And see you on the next lesson. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and guys, if you think that all of this stuff which I'm sharing with you is valuable, so please leave a comments, put some likes, and also you could sign up on my courses. I have some Udemy and Skillshare courses about Microsoft products and a lot of other stuff. Also, I have a couple of courses which are free. So thank you so much and see you.